Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2010 government past question. Question number 41. Question number 41 says Nigeria broke diplomatic relations with France in 1961 because of dash. Nigeria broke diplomatic relations with France in 1961 because of dash. Now, when we talk of diplomatic relation is synonymous synony- synonymous with international relation. International relations. So, and diplomatic relation or international relation means relationship relation relationship which exists between two countries. So option A say are poor relations with the francophone countries. Option B says general the Gaullist negative attitude towards her. Option C says France diplomatic relations with Israel. D says France atomic test in the Sahara Desert. The reason why Nigeria broke out from the relationship with France that she had with France in 1961 is a result of the test of atomic test, and this atomic test happened in Sahara Desert in 1959 at that time. So because of that, and it claims a lot of life in Sahara Desert, and up to date, particularly Algeria is still suffering from that act up to date. So Nigeria decided to break out of that relationship. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.